Let's do this. Are you ready for a comeback? Are you ready to fly? Are you ready for the moment? Get ready to ride. Calling all the fighters, calling on survivors. Are you up all nighters? We can take it higher. Let's do this.
Hi, and welcome back. If you are new, my name is Ashley, and this is Agent Renovation. At Agent Renovation, we teach realtors and coach them winning strategies for winning at the door. In today's video, Jason and I are going to explain how we carry our material and the importance of the box you choose. Let us help you make your real estate easier. Jason, say hello to our friends.
Hello, everyone.
Now, when it comes to door knocking and handing out the box and handing out the material, can you tell me a little bit about the boxes we use and the importance here? Because we don't just do anything, do we? This is all strategy.
That's it. The boxes are important. We gotta keep them protected, keep them clean. These lids go on both of our boxes, our small ones and our large ones, keeping the rain out, keeping the dirt out, keeping everything perfect for the next house.
Yeah, so here, hold the box up for a second, put the lid on it.
There we go, put that on.
Yeah, wow, look at that. Sleek, clean. We keep everything in our office in these, organized and beautiful.
Weather protected.
Weather protected. Now, can you talk a little bit about the size of the box? Now, you're known to even take the third size, which we don't have on the table, which is even bigger.
Yeah, that's it. Well, with the box, it's nice to be able to have your points crossed. Once you count your houses, you know how much material. That's what it's all about, is carrying not more than you need and not less than you have to.
Yeah, getting your number right.
Getting your number right so you're not wasting time.
Good advice.
You know, as a new agent, that resources are king, and in the beginning, buying things such as materials can cost a lot. When you're purchasing notepads, you often have to purchase over 5,000 or 10,000 in quantity to get a good price on them. And often the price difference can be 3 times the price if you order in lower quantities. And we know that you want to get the most mileage out of your marketing material because it's important, especially in the beginning. For this reason, having the weather protected lid that Jason pointed out is very important. You don't want your material getting wet. Heaven forbid you pack your box for the day and you ruin all your material. Well, you want to get a listing out of this material, so the box with the lid is really important. So if you have a partner, one of you can carry the box and one of you can do the knocking and the tracking part. The box is a massive piece in your consideration of your door knocking strategy. Thanks for watching today, guys. This has been Ashley from Agent Renovation. And as always, if you liked this video, check out our description. We've got links to our podcast as well as our door knocking masterclass. If you'd like to know how I started this office and trained a team of agents that had never sold real estate before, you can head on over and check out our door knocking masterclass. It's gonna blow your mind. It's really quite something. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon.